Hey there, in this video we're looking at how to use custom fields inside of your opportunities and how to filter them to give you a more in-depth understanding of the leads inside your pipelines. I've set up a quick example here. In this case, we're a roofing company who generates leads via a short survey on their website. We can see the leads inside the pipeline here, but unless we click into every opportunity, we can't see what they inputted in the survey when they completed it. Let's take a quick peek at the opportunity fields that have been set up. Click on an opportunity card, and if you just scroll down, you'll see I've added these two fields here. A simple yes/no drop down for if they have a flat roof or not, and a drop down for the age of the house. In order for our sales team to call the right leads, we can filter inside of opportunities. Just click the filter button here, and we're given the opportunity to apply the filter on a range of standard opportunity fields. So we could filter on, say, for example, leads who have arrived in the pipeline today. And we can see them all there. But we can also filter based on opportunity fields as well. If our roofing business doesn't service houses over 100 years old, then we can omit them from our view. Perhaps we would consider houses over 100 years if they had a flat roof. In this case, we'd have to switch our logic to OR, which means only one of these conditions needs to be met. And we can filter if they have a flat roof or not. As you can see, filtering can be super useful. Creating custom fields inside opportunities is easy to do. If I click on an opportunity card, I can click down here, add and manage fields. If I give that a click, it will take me to custom fields under settings, and we simply add a new field here. In this case, we might want to know what type of house they have. So if I choose my field type, go for radio select, and we'll give the field a name. And we'll give options down here. So detached, and finally one more terrace. Now over here on the right, we see under object, we have the ability to create a new opportunity custom field. So select that, choose opportunity details from the group, and simply click save. Now if we return to our opportunities pipeline and click on a card, we can see that we have the new custom field down here, and we'll now be able to filter based upon that particular custom field. Awesome. That's how you add custom fields to opportunities and filter your results.